Hello, here you are in the Nakisa HR Suite Administrator Training. Please note this video is part of a series of training videos that we have created to enable our clients to be proficient in the admin console of the Nakisa HR Suite. The topic of this video will focus on uploading data into the Nakisa HR Suite via Excel templates. So the objective here is to showcase how to upload HR master data into the Nakisa HR Suite through Excel templates. So what is HR master data and what is the source of this data? HR master data contains the personal and professional histories of employees, their skill sets, their contact information, their position and job information, their department information, their cost center information, and an array of other details. This data is important for the HR teams and executives in the company for key people related decisions. The HR master data usually resides in the human capital management solutions such as Workday, SAP HCM, SuccessFactors Employee Center, Oracle PeopleSoft, etc. These HCM systems are transactional systems that are used to manage employees during their life cycle within the company. Now, let me answer the most obvious question, which is the need to transfer data from HCM systems to the Nakisa HR Suite. So, Nakisa HR Suite is an AI-driven organization design and analytics software that can support large and complex reorganizations. These capabilities are lacking in the HCM systems. Hence, the data from the HCM systems must be transferred to the Nakisa HR Suite on a regular basis to simulate these reorganizations and analyze its impact. Now, let's take a scenario where the HRIS team has asked you to extract the HR master data from your HCM system, Oracle PeopleSoft, and update it into the Nakisa HR Suite on a weekly basis to perform these reorganization scenarios. Since Nakisa HR Suite does not offer any native integration with Oracle PeopleSoft, the HR data will have to be extracted from it, populated into one of the data templates that we provide, and then uploaded into the Nakisa HR Suite through the admin console. Now let's jump into the admin console and see how to update the HR master data into the Nakisa HR Suite. From the admin section of the Nakisa HR Suite, please select Data Management in the left-hand side panel. Please note, Nakisa HR Suite can import your HR master data directly from your HCM systems such as SAP HCM, SuccessFactors, Employee Central, and Workday using the native integration. For other systems, you can extract your HCM data, then populate one of these simple data templates that Nakisa provides, and then go ahead and upload these templates into the Nakisa HR Suite using the following steps. Please note that there is a separate training video to help you understand how to populate these templates with your HR master data. Within the data management page, let me select create new batch. And in the new section that pops up, let me select the effective dated Excel in the dropdown. And then in the subsequent dropdown that pops up, let me select the update data. And then I would be selecting the update or insert. Please note that the update or insert operation updates the existing records that's already available in the Nakisa HR Suites database. And the insert operation basically creates new records which is not already present in the Nakisa HR Suites database. So if you are uploading the HR master data for the first time, then I would want you to use the load operation instead of the update operation. So I'm using the update operation now because I am updating the existing HR master data. So the delete operation is used to delete all the records with the matching IDs. So if you want to delete a bunch of records from the application, you can use the delete operation. So the next step is to select the upload operation and then choose the Excel template that you have populated with your HR master data. So I have my HR master data populated in one of the templates. So I'm going to go ahead, choose and choose that, and then I'm going to hit the run operation. So as you can see, it changed from the status changed from in progress to successful, and we've updated the existing records within the Nakisa HR Suite. Now select the index source data for current date. This allows your users to use search and dashboard features as it indexes the data. Alternatively, select index effective dates if you have enabled effective dates in the application. I just want to take a minute to explain what are effective dates. Because your source HR data changes frequently due to hiring, retirement, promotions, etc., Nakisa HR Suite allows you to view your source data and scenarios based on the start and end dates of the objects in your data. Selecting an effective date determines which slice of data appears in charts, scenarios, trends, etc. So please refer to the Help Center to know more about the effective dates settings. To summarize, in this training video, we've seen how to upload HR master data using these Excel templates. And also please note that we have a separate training video to help you understand how to populate these Excel templates that we provide using the HR master data that you have within your HCM systems. Thank you.